today, I'm going to be guiding you through an easy step-to-step process on how to log in to Digiwards application. Watch the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel if you've not yet. Press the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. First, make sure to download the Digiwards application on your Android device. Once you are done with the downloading process, open the app by tapping on it. From the main interface, tap on both of your boxes and tap the login button. You can log into your Digiwards account by choosing a Google account from the option. If you already are logged in with a Google account on your Android, select one of your Google accounts by tapping on it. If you want to add another account, tap on Add Another Account button and enter your email or your phone number in the text box. Once you are done typing in an email or phone number associated with your Google account, tap Next. Now, enter the password for your Google account on the next page. Tap the Next button. Now, tap on I agree button on the next page to agree to the Google's terms of service and privacy policy, and soon after that, you'll be able to log in to Digiwards account. If you've got an invitation code, you can go ahead and type it in the text box to get 1000 points. If not, cross the dialog box. And that is how you can easily log in and access your Digiwards account with a few simple steps. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll be back soon with more videos like this. Thanks for watching.